Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating a new user account on Windows, a fundamental skill for managing your computer effectively. To get started, click on the Windows icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Here. So this will open up the Start menu, the central hub for accessing various Windows functions. Within the Start menu, locate on Settings. So you'll recognize it by the gear shape icon. This is your gateway to Windows System Preferences. In the Settings window, you'll see various options. Look for and select Accounts. This one, it's represented by an icon that looks like a person, and it's where you manage user-related settings. So within the account section, find and click on Family and Other Users. So this is where you control user access on your computer. Now under the Other Users section, here, click on Add Account or add someone else to this PC. This is the key step to create a new user profile. So let's click. Now, at this point, you might be asked to enter an email address or phone number. Don't worry if you don't have one to associate with this account. Just select I don't have this person sign in information to proceed. So opt for add a user without a Microsoft account, this one. This allows you to create a local account on your computer, which is handy if you don't want to link it to an online Microsoft account. So moving forward, create a username and password for the new account. Here, this step is crucial for personalized access. To enhance security, you can set up security questions, but this is optional. Once you've provided the necessary information, click on Next to create the account. So provide the information here, and once you're done, click Next for it to create the account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create a new user account on Windows. This knowledge is valuable for various scenarios. Whether you want to share your computer with someone else, establish separate work and personal environments, or simply maintain a more organized and secure computing experience. In conclusion, understanding how to manage user accounts in Windows is a fundamental skill that empowers you to customize and control access to your PC. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a new user account on Windows. See you on my next video.